So welcome back to day 7 of our advent calendar RC car build. So far we've got this much chassis, we've got a little plastic box and some axles and some motors so far. And now we are on to day 7 and let's see what we've got. So where is 7? Oh, that's a little disappointing, you know. Day 7 is just here. It's a little tiny box. Not really sure what to expect with this because it's so small. This may be a quick video. Anyway, let's have a look. Okay, so I know exactly what they are. So at the moment, these just look like little plastic bits with some screws, and you're right, they are. But what they actually are is, you might just be able to see just there on the chassis. So where this arm goes in and the ball joint locks in. I'm trying to show it you as best I can. There you go. You see the 2 screw holes just there. Well, those little plastic bits of the caps that goes onto there and locks those arms in place. So let's get them on. So here we go. This is going to be a very, very quick build. No point hanging around when you've got other things to do, like buying Christmas presents. So let's get these screws open. Now, so far, the good thing about this is that all of the screws are Phillips head, so I've used 1 screwdriver. If you'd have looked back on day 3, I believe it was, we actually got a screwdriver as part of the kit. I've yeeted it somewhere into the workshop because it didn't look like that good a screwdriver. In fact, it's probably a screwdriver that could have come out of a Christmas cracker, funnily enough. So yeah, if you've got a small Phillips head, I'd probably say use that instead. It'll probably be better. Anyway, let's get this thing on. From the looks of it, these little plastic parts are identical front to rear, so they can just go in anyway. Remember, as always, when you're screwing into plastic, start each screw off just to get them going, and then once both screws are in and started, tighten them down. When you do tighten them down, only tighten them pinch tight, because again, metal screws going into plastic, very easy to strip out the thread. And there we are. I'll give you just a quick look at how it is. To be fair, it's plastic on plastic. There's a little bit of binding. I will be completely honest. I don't like the way the wires run because they're going to cause some of the binding. Right, so thank you for joining us on day 7? Yeah, day 7 of our advent calendar RC car build. So this is where we've got to so far. And I'm excited to see what comes up. Anyway, if you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. And as always, remember to stay amped. Merry Christmas.